Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eddie from Always Be Fun. Nice to see you again. Today we will install OGA metal cell case from Ozone. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like the video and share it. This is the parts we need. A OGA logic board, Ozone metal cell case, full press with OCA screen display, metal buttons, screws and tapes, conductive pad, T7000 glue, OGA battery, and a larger size LG battery that we hope can fit into the cell case. We need to trim a bit the corner of the logic board. Let's mark it with a marker pen first. Use a cutter to cut the board. Don't over trim it. You can slowly cut until it fits in. We will install our screen first. Slide in the screen from this side. Use your T7000 or T8000 glue to stick it. And you may use rubber band or any heavy stuff sit on top of it.
"20 minutes later."
After 20 to 30 minutes, you may remove those extra glue later. Now take out the two black color hard form. Let's fix the square black form first. Stick it to the button sitting place. This is to hold the buttons with proper direction. Now, with the long black form, we need to cut it into 4 pieces and stick it to the logic board to hold the F1 to F6 buttons. Just stick it to the board like this. Now we can put our buttons into the case. I will replace my analog stick with PS Vita. Fix all the conductive pad. Tighten the analog stick with 304 stainless steel screw that come with. Fix the speaker. Remove the double side tape from the case. Stick the speaker to the shell case. We can use some tape stick on top of the speaker to help on the sound, because the shell case only have a holes for volume on bottom. Now we can put the logic board to the shell case. We only need 4 screws to hold the board. After we tighten the 4 screws, we can connect our display ribbon and analog stick ribbon. Now we need to cut the another square black form that come together into 6 pieces and stick 3 pieces to the logic board F1 to F6 screws holes and 3 pieces to the back cell case pillar. Why we need the black form? According Ozone, those black form is to press the logic board. So the black form stick on the pillar is to help prevent any damage to the board. Now we put our on-off button. We can use a tape stick on top of it so it can help to hold the button in place. Now for the LR buttons, we need to take out the 2 small springs that come with those screws. The spring one side is big, another side is small. The smaller size clamp into the LR button. We do ready and hope to replace the battery. The largest capacity LG battery, but unfortunately the battery is too wide, so we need to give up and use the original battery. After we put all it nicely, just press the front and back cell case with gently. Don't be too hard, especially near the LR solder part. After that, you can put all the 6 pieces 304 screws back to the place and you are ready to go. Yes, we are done, and now we can enjoy our metal OGA. So today our video will end here. We will shoot another video to review pros and cons for the metal OGA cell case. Please do leave us any comment on below. Thanks for watching. See you on next video. Bye bye.